Upgrade your home lighting effortlessly with smart solutions. Best wireless under-cabinet lighting brings convenience, style, and energy efficiency to your kitchen or workspace. Easy to install, sleek, and modern, it brightens every corner instantly. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. EZVALO Wireless Under-Cabinet Lighting. The EZVALO Wireless Under-Cabinet Lighting is an impressive solution for modern kitchens and workspaces, combining smart functionality with user-friendly design. It offers 3 versatile modes to suit every need. Night Motion Mode, which activates only in low light for safe late-night navigation. All-Day Motion Mode, perfect for dim corners where regular lighting falls short. And Always-On Mode, providing continuous illumination for longer tasks, camping, or emergency situations. This adaptability makes it highly practical for a wide range of scenarios. Lighting options are another highlight, with warm white 3000K for cozy ambience, natural white 4500K for daily activities, and cool white 6500K for precise, task-oriented clarity. The stepless dimming function allows users to adjust brightness smoothly, reducing glare and eye strain while enhancing focus. Powering the lights is a 2000 mAh rechargeable battery that lasts 13 to 40 days on auto mode or up to 11 hours in always-on mode, and the convenient 3-slot USB-C charging dock can recharge 3 units at once, minimizing clutter and even powering phones or earbuds. A remote control offers timers, brightness adjustment, and mode switching from up to 16 feet away, while onboard controls allow quick individual customization. The EZVALO lights are easy to install, sleek, and compact, making them an ideal upgrade for any kitchen, closet, or workspace. With durable materials, smart functionality, and long-lasting battery performance, these lights stand out as a reliable, stylish, and energy-efficient choice for wireless under-cabinet lighting. Number 2. MCGOR Wireless Under-Cabinet Lighting. The MCGOR Wireless Under-Cabinet Lighting is an upgraded motion sensor solution designed for effortless convenience and enhanced safety in low-light areas. Its motion sensor detects movement within a 120 degrees range and 10 feet, automatically switching the lights on in darkness and turning them off after 20 seconds of inactivity. This feature ensures you never have to fumble for switches in the dark, making it perfect for kitchens, closets, pantries, and hallways. Users can also set the lights to always-on mode, which allows continuous illumination for longer tasks such as cooking, reading, or crafting, or even as a portable flashlight while camping. The 2500 mAh rechargeable battery is another major advantage, supporting 7 to 45 days of operation in motion sensor mode depending on usage, and up to 8 hours on full brightness in always-on mode. With a USB-C charging port, the lights are easy to recharge without dealing with wires, wall outlets, or frequent battery replacement. MCGOR has focused on eye protection and dimming capabilities, incorporating 63 energy-saving LEDs covered by a non-glare frosted panel. 5 adjustable brightness levels provide flexibility, from bright task lighting to subtle night illumination that won't disturb others. Installation is effortless thanks to strong built-in magnets and included adhesive plates, allowing for repositioning and temporary removal whenever needed. Overall, these wireless under-cabinet lights combine durability, smart technology, and versatility, making them a top choice for anyone seeking efficient, reliable, and easy-to-use motion-sensing lighting solutions. Number 3. MCGOR 10-inch Wireless Under-Cabinet Lighting. The MCGOR 10-inch wireless under-cabinet lighting builds upon the company's standard design, offering an extended lighting solution with enhanced coverage. Featuring a motion sensor that detects movement within 10 feet and a 120 degrees field, these lights turn on automatically in dark or dim environments and turn off after 20 seconds of inactivity. The always-on mode enables continuous lighting for extended tasks such as meal preparation, reading, or crafts, while also functioning as a flashlight for camping or emergencies. The lights are bright yet eye-friendly, utilizing 40 energy-saving LEDs with a frosted, non-glare cover, and they offer 5 levels of adjustable brightness to suit various tasks and preferences. A 1,800 mAh rechargeable battery ensures long-lasting performance, supporting 7 to 45 days in motion sensor mode and 8 hours in always-on mode. Recharging is simple with a USB-C cable, eliminating the hassle of wiring or frequent battery replacement. Installation is straightforward with built-in magnets, allowing the lights to attach to metal surfaces, or using the provided adhesive metal plates for other surfaces. This combination of versatility, portability, and energy efficiency makes the MCGOR 10-inch model ideal for larger under-cabinet spaces, closets, pantries, or any area needing reliable and adjustable lighting. Its sleek design and smart features make it not only functional but also aesthetically appealing. The MCGOR 10-inch wireless under-cabinet lighting is an excellent choice for users seeking high-quality, easy-to-install, and practical lighting that blends seamlessly into modern interiors. Number 4. EZVALO 5700K Wireless Under-Cabinet Lighting. The EZVALO 5700K wireless under-cabinet lighting is designed to provide bright, efficient, and flexible illumination for kitchens, closets, and other workspaces. With a 2,400 mAh rechargeable battery, it offers 12 hours of continuous light in always-on mode and up to 30 to 45 days in auto mode, detecting motion within 10 feet and a 120 degrees range. The lights feature 3 versatile modes: night motion mode, ideal for late-night navigation in low light; all-day motion mode, perfect for dim areas that need occasional activation; and always-on mode, delivering continuous lighting for cooking, cleaning, or reading. Its wireless design simplifies installation, with magnets for metal surfaces or mounting strips for non-metal surfaces, allowing temporary removal for recharging or repositioning. Users can control brightness, set timers, and switch modes using a remote from up to 16 feet away, while onboard controls provide quick adjustments for individual lights. The upgraded motion sensing ensures precise activation, while the 5700K color temperature offers crisp, clear illumination for accurate visibility. This combination of intelligent motion detection, long battery life, multiple modes, and easy installation makes the EZVALO 5700K wireless under-cabinet lighting a standout choice for anyone seeking reliable, energy-efficient, and modern under-cabinet lighting solutions. It is particularly useful in kitchens, closets, pantries, and other areas where consistent, bright, and convenient illumination is needed without the clutter of wires or complicated installation. Number 5. EZVALO 2400 mAh wireless under-cabinet lighting. The EZVALO 2400 mAh wireless under-cabinet lighting offers a smart and durable solution for under-cabinet illumination, featuring a motion sensor that detects movement within 12 feet and a 120 degrees field, activating in just 0.1 seconds. Its night motion, all-day motion, and always-on modes make it versatile for various environments, whether navigating a dark kitchen, lighting a pantry, or providing continuous task lighting. The lights are made from durable aluminum alloy and impact-resistant ABS plastic, ensuring long-term performance. Adjustable color temperatures: warm white, 3000K, natural white, 4500K, and cool white, 6500K, allow users to customize ambience and brightness levels between 10% and 100% for eye comfort and task efficiency. The 2400 mAh rechargeable battery provides 15 to 45 days of operation in motion sensor mode and 12 hours in always-on mode at full brightness, rechargeable via USB-C in just 3 hours. Smart indicators clearly display active modes, simplifying operation. Installation is effortless, with strong magnets for metal surfaces and adhesive plates for others, while the wireless design eliminates the need for complex wiring. Combining high sensitivity, long battery life, customizable lighting, and durable construction, the EZVALO 2400 mAh wireless under-cabinet lighting stands out as a practical, efficient, and stylish solution for kitchens, closets, pantries, or any low-light area where smart, convenient, and adjustable illumination is desired. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.